Welcome to the show. Today I'm sitting down with a man who needs no introduction in the streets of Harare or the stages of Jamaica to the world. It's a podcast. From the rural dust of Chendambuya to the global charts, he has carried the mbira and the Zimbabwean spirit to the world. Please welcome the Jah Keeper.
Thank you so much for having me. It's a blessing to be here and to share the vibe with the people.
I want to go back before the roots and the stadium tours. You grew up in Chendambuya. How did a young boy in a rural district first find his voice?
Well, it started with the village gathering. You know, music wasn't a choice, it was a way of life. My mother used to preach and sing at the church, and I'd be right there next to her. That's where I learned that music isn't just sound, it's a message. But the real shift happened when I picked up the mbira. My teacher, Mupa Musimbe, taught me that the mbira talks to you. It connects you to your ancestors.
Many people don't know that you actually started with reggae and dancehall in the early days. How did you transition from those underground years to the traditional contemporary fusion we love today?
I was experimenting. We were young, recording tracks in Budiriro and Chitungwiza. But I realized that if I wanted to represent Zimbabwe, I had to use the mbira instrument. When I released a song called Madzimu Wangu, I found my path. It wasn't about following a trend, it was about leading a culture.
You're often called Donley Parker, but I want to talk about the discipline behind it. You said before that music hunt business. How do you manage your different fields, from your record label to your humanitarian work?
Exactly. If you treat your craft like a small shop, it will stay small. We started this JKV Studios because I wanted to create a system, an ecosystem for artists. I don't just see myself as a keeper of a team. We have dancers, engineers, designers. Being a leader means showing up every day with a plan. Whether I'm in the studio or visiting a farm for a new business venture, the discipline is the same.
You've recently been sharing more about homestead life and local business visits on your channel. Is this the next chapter for Jah Keeper?
It's about empowerment. I want my fans to see that you can be a success and still love the land. Culture and business should walk together. If we don't build our own industries, we are just singing into the wind.
Beautifully said. Jah Keeper, thank you for sharing your journey with us today.
Tatenda, God bless, keep the vibes alive.